All right, this is a Bosch dishwasher, as you can see right here, and I'm gonna go over the controls for you. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna start off with the on-off button, but there's also a lot of other different controls. We'll get to that shortly. There is the off-on button. I can press that, and it turns the unit on, all right? And it automatically goes to auto for this particular unit, but we can change that by pressing right there. I just press the heavy setting and it switches to heavy. You have auto, which we went to, and there's an economy mode that says eco right here. Eco is for economy. You have normal, all right? Press economy. That brings the time that it's going to be washing down to 1 hour and 25 minutes. As you can see, the heavy is 2 hours and 15 minutes in the native setting for heavy. Economy mode is 1 hour 25, and then there is a normal mode, which brings it up to 2 hours and 15 minutes, and express mode, which is a cool 30 minutes long, all right? And then there is a rinse option. If you just want to rinse the dishes, all right, say for instance you have crud on and you're not ready to wash, you just want them rinsed so it doesn't get stuck on there, they have a rinse option that lasts 9 minutes, all right? So we're gonna go down and we're gonna show you some other different features right here. You have a delay feature. You can actually delay the wash for several hours. It's 1 hour, it goes all the way up to 24 hours. You can delay a wash for 24 hours if you'd like to. All right, pretty cool feature. And then there's a half load option. All right, there's a half load option, but you have to select an actual cycle. There's a half load option, all right, where it lasts about 2 hours, all right? Great to have. And then there's a delicate, say for instance, you don't want the spraying on your dishes really hard and potentially breaking them. Say for instance, you have a crystal in there, some wine glasses, and you don't want them to be sprayed hard and break and crack and all of that. Or maybe some fine china. You have the delicate mode. You can have a delicate mode and half load at the same time. Let's go ahead and turn the half load off. And then there is a sanitize feature. You can also sanitize the feature. Say for instance, you have one of these options on. You can sanitize that, all right? Sanitize pretty much brings the temperature up really hot to sanitize the dishes. And then there is an extra shine mode. If you want your dishes to be extra shiny, that is an option for you. And here's the auto feature right over here, all right? Auto feature does it automatically. All these things automatically, all right? See? All right, the auto feature, and then you have the start button, okay? Say for instance, you're ready to start. Say for instance, we have it in heavy and have all the selections ready. We're ready for it to start. We just press the start button and then close it. All right, and you see the light at the bottom, that's indicator that the dishwasher is going. Say for instance, you have all your selections, you already started the wash, but you want to reset it. Now come over here to where the start button is, and press and hold it for 3 seconds, and it resets the wash, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.